In the time-honored Indian tradition, we start this ceremony by seeking the blessings of Lord Hanumanji with prayers and chants offered in his name. This chant is brought to you by Hanumant Gram. Hanumant Gram, who aspire to put us back in touch with our spirituality. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a splendid, what a lovely beginning to this day. And here it is, all of us are here, finally, in the magical city, in the sparkling city of Las Vegas. Before we start off this morning, let's introduce each other as it reads and it says that here in Vegas, winners meet winners. And all the winners, can we hear and have an uproar of applause so that we acknowledge the presence of all the winners of India right here together under one roof. There's a quote that we all know, but I thought we'll make a little change to it. It said, we all know, what happens in Vegas? Now you can do a bit louder than whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but I'm sorry, I'm afraid this time it's not going to happen. Scared already? No, I'm not talking about your deep little secrets. Today, whatever music, whatever noise, whatever sound we make here under this roof, here in the beautiful Venetian, this noise, this sound is the noise and the sound and the music of power of India. And this definitely is traveling not just in Vegas, but around 27 countries around the world, around the globe. So you can see, as being a representative of India under Power Brands Glam, you guys are heroes, not only here, but all over the world, globally across 27 countries. Now, I take a lot of privilege on inviting him here on the podium, the stalwart personality who made Vegas what it is today. He is an American lawyer and politician. He was the mayor of Las Vegas, Nevada from 1999 to 2011. He is the man who made Vegas into what it is today at its zenith. He was elected mayor of Vegas 3 times and is one of the most popular politicians of America. He is an independent and former member of the Democratic Party. Also, on October 10th, 2011, he guest starred in the CSI episode Made Men on CBS, first appearing at the opening of the Mob Museum, which was recreated for the show in advance of its opening. Let me hear a loud rapture, loud applause for the one and only Mr. Oscar Balin Goodman. Ladies and gentlemen, that can be louder. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you. Good afternoon. For the guests who have just joined us, I'd like to welcome all of you cordially on the behalf of this phenomenal event that we have here right in the heart of Las Vegas. But before we go ahead, once again, I need to acknowledge and know that all of you are just ready and as excited as I am, because we are here witnessing the most powerful brands in India as a whole, representing India as a brand. Are you all excited, everybody? I need a little more noise. Come on, thodi taaliyan ho jaye. Come on, everyone. We are just about to hit and begin the awards. Usually it's an evening, but what a lovely amalgamation. We have so many different people from different fields making and representing India as a brand here, all the way away from home in Las Vegas. So the awards are just beginning. Meri ek darkhwast hai aap sabhi se. I just have a request for all of you. All of us are winners here. Everybody is here for the accolades, for the recognition, for the reward. I'd really request all of you to kindly be here till the last award recipient receives his award, और उतनी ही जोरदार तालियां हो जितनी पहले विनर से लेके आखिरी विनर तक की तालियां हो. Can I have that promise from all of you? To give away the next set of awards, may I please call upon on the stage Mr. Ranjit Bhatt, the very pretty, the very talented, the famous Indian film actress Miss Aditi Rao Haidari, to be on the stage, please. Nevada State Assemblyman Mr. Aaron Ford. Mr. Aaron Ford with us and to be joined in by the heartthrob of Indian youth. Whenever he is on stage or on YouTube, anywhere, he is the ultimate rock star and makes the world go round, yo-yo around him. Please put your hands together for the one and only rock star, Honey Singh. Going up, may I please invite on the stage Mr. Praveen Kumar Nedungari, CEO of Incredible India Projects, who will accept the Star Realty Award for Incredible India Projects Private Limited. So here's to Incredible India Projects Private Limited. Painting the canvas of land, Incredible India Projects is an infrastructural catalyst for modern India, giving a majestic outlook to its residential spaces. The company has given wings to various aspirations based on the grounds of commitment and utmost passion. Congratulations, Incredible India Projects Private Limited. With this, we come to an end of this set. Come and rock us all in the evening. Thank you, all of you, for being on stage for the felicitations. Thank you. As I'd like to call upon very well-known Indian film actor, with a loud round of applause, Mr. R. Madhavan on the stage, please. Hello. To be joined in with Mr. Martin Roll and Ms. Racina Oberoi. Welcome, everyone. And here we go, sparkle off the next set of awards. And the next award, may I please invite on stage Mr. Raman R. Jain, Chairman of the Montex Group, to accept the Indian Power Brands Award. A market leader in crafting pens, the Montex Group has become the ruling giant of the writing instruments industry. The brand has been making India proud by leaving its lasting impression on 15 countries worldwide. Before I give the mic away to Mr. Deepak Kaisa, I'd just like to say one thing, that just be prepared up for this evening, because this was a long run, I agree, but we have much more coming up in terms of entertainment, much more coming up in the evening. Adorn your best outfits, look stunning and hot in Vegas. We also have a red carpet. Till then, let's have a loud round of applause. Mujhe itna maza aaya hai, especially being a part of this journey for all the winners in Power Brands Glam. Ek baar zordar taaliyan ho jaye for all the winners in this hall. Let's hear it. 2013 in Vegas. Come on. I'll see you in the evening. Till then, I give the mic away to Mr. Deepak Kaista. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.